Du bara vänta, jag ska visa dig.
What is up guys, my name is Pewdiepie! And yeah, today we're gonna celebrate because I got 100 subscribers.
Just want to say a quick thank you, I guess. This is my 100th video.
There's a lot of other games coming out this year, like Maybe I'm a Rich Guy.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Fridays with Pewdiepie. Welcome to Friday with Pewdiepie. First off, thank y'all for 30 plus a bunch of zeros. 1,000 subscribers. 1, 2, 3. Finally, welcome back to Friday with Pewdiepie. Thank you, bros, for 60,000 subscribers.
Here's my girlfriend Marcia, so she's in my videos finally.
Good news, we almost reached 100,000 subscribers.
First off, we did it. Yeah. 100,000 subscribers, bros. I am proud of you, bros. Bro Army was actually one of the highest growing channels on YouTube this week.
What is that?
King of the Web.
Do this. Come on, Stans. Where's your team spirit? Fridays with Pewdiepie. Third competition.
I was in the magazine 2 days ago, thanks to YouTube. It's pretty crazy. We reached 400,000 subscribers. The Bro Army has now reached 500,000 subscribers. We reached 900,000 subscribers. Thank you, bros. We did it. Getting 1 million up for subs, bros. That's just ridiculous. And this week we got 1,100,000. This week we reached 1,200,000 subscribers. First off, I want to say thank you, bros, so much for 1,600,000 subscribers. Bro Army got 1,800,000 subscribers. Thank you, bros, for 1,900,000 subscribers.
It's our 1,000th video, bros. It's been 2 years since I started uploading videos. Makes me so happy to see all the stuff and all the nice messages. Today's a very special day because we hit 4 million bros, 4 million subscribers, whatever you want to call it. We reached 5 million bros, 6 million bros. Thank you for 6.5 million bros already. We actually hit 7 million bros yesterday, double yesterday. There was a lot of rumors saying I was dead. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. We will never know. I do have 1,400 videos uploaded. First of all, I just want to say thank you, bros. 8 freaking million bros. We're at 8.5 bros right now. Thank you, bros, so much for 9.5 million bros. There are 10 million of us right now. I just want to say thank you, bros, for everything. I wouldn't be anywhere without you. No one fucking knew about my channel when I started. Guinness World Record certificate. It says the most subscribed YouTube with 12 million. We're actually 13 million now. Thank you, bros, for 17 million subscribers, bros. We hit 19 million subscribers.
Thank you, bros, so much for 20 million subscribers. Welcome back to another episode of Back to Dead.
I've recently been trying to put more quality into my videos instead of quantity.
I really felt like my videos meant something, which I never thought it would, you know? Technology. Oh yeah, work it, girl. Wait, what the fuck? Finally back with some more Skate 3, Bobby. How long do you want your YouTube period to last? As long as I have fun with it. Welcome to the Super Smash Brothers, man. First time I ever had my own private space to make videos. Today we're gonna play just
Pewdiepie.
Oh no, you feel like this isn't time. We have reached over $1 million towards charities. Edit that out, kids.
No job.
Welcome to Mainstream. This is a brand new horror game, but it's in alpha. Just will have to point that out.
Oh, hello there, friend. How are you so kawaii? Hey guys, it's
Oh god.
Today we're gonna do cooking with pills. Why? I don't know. Holy shit! We're back. Oh!
Thank you, bros, so much for 30 million bros.
Me versus 30 millions of you, bros. I think my chances are pretty damn slim.
Do it again.
All I wanted was a little fun.
Do it again.
Stop flirting with me! Right now, we are at like 31.9 or something. I mean, hey guys, Edgar here. Just want to let you know that I'm taking over this channel now.
Thank you for 35,749,558 subscribers and bros.
Do stupid shit now, because when you're older, you'll actually get in trouble for it. Look at that Maya painting, so cute. Oh look, it's Marcia. Show your face, crime. What's your real? Oh my god! Oh my god! Someone actually came on our show. Emma Blackery.
Hey, hi.
I used to be such a shy and insecure kid. I've improved so much since then. I am very proud to finally announce the PewDiePie movie.
Today I have an interview with Times Magazine. Hey, there I am.
I finally received the 10 million diamond play button. We're at 44 million. Tell me right now, you wish you had this setup in. We are now at 47 million subscribers in the very first video, and it's not actually up on my channel. Finally, it's here! Oh, I'm so happy! But also, we gained a 50 million subscribers. What? I got all my subscribers back, and more than I had before. I should care about the ones that actually watch my content and what they think about it. I owe it to my audience and to myself to do better than this, because I know I'm better than this.
Shut Bulak. Oh, that's right. I make cooking videos now.
It's hilarious. Next up is another figurine from my second trip to Japan. I see he's a man of culture. Wow, it's practically my room.
Did
I actually upload a 2-minute Q&A? Look how many we got. They're 9 years old. They don't know what they're doing.
Coming disabled by choice. Transabled. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. You're just a magician.
69, 69, 69, 69.
I am not in it. Big surprise, I know.
I want PewDiePie to do a year review.
If T-Series surpasses PewDiePie, he will no longer be YouTube's most subscribed channel. However, he will still be the most subscribed creator. This video is dedicated to my editors, my brains. Because oh boy, it's roasting time. I also have this new setup. It's a little confusing. Which one is the real PewDiePie? Now it's Minecraft. My subreddit Lawai has turned into Minecraft. Oh god! Run, Jack, run! I had no idea what I was doing. I just knew I enjoyed it. I made a lot of mistakes on the way, but I've grown. I feel like I have at least. Bit of a PewDiePie related episode. I'm not supposed to give my opinion, but man, do I love that guy. PewDiePie! I'm thinking about shaving my head. Smash like on this video if you agree or disagree. I've suffered, other people must suffer. Let's see here. Hey, look, it's me! Welcome, everyone. 10 years! It's 10-year anniversary. It's too perfect, man. Except I'm probably shorter in this. Yeah, that makes sense. Welcome to Cooking with PewDiePie. Today we're making knäckebröd! There again, let's go. Let's ride, baby. I set a New Year's resolution for myself that actually really worked, which was the goal to read. 10 years ago, I messaged PewDiePie when he had 40,000 subscribers. I told him he would be famous one day. He didn't believe me. It's been 2 years. It's time for me to Google myself. And as always, the first thing that shows up, PewDiePie net worth. If you have a funny story that you think is funny, never share. Throw it, star down. There you go. An important photo. I remember this. We were playing Smash, I think. We're here at the PewDiePie gym, attempting to replicate God himself. Bloat. I think it's obvious to all these people. I have higher level of intellect. How has Japan affected your lifestyle and content creation? Have you been watching my channel? I'm a vlogger now. Thank you for all the support on the vlog. Which is like the fancy area. There's so many cool buildings. My channel kind of peaked. Just I really appreciate you guys sticking through all the changes, and I still do try my best. It's the 5-year anniversary of Meme Review. I'm really pleased. We found out that Marcia is pregnant 1st in November, and I'm just so thankful everything's been going well so far. If you know what these means, then you know. Just wanted to say, it's getting very close now. Very close to becoming a dad. I'm very, very, very excited. I didn't think it was possible to hate babies. Well, I got news for you, bro.